Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I have created this beautiful red glitter eyeshadow. It's super easy to create and it will hardly take 5 minutes. So let's get started. The first step is taking a Maybelline tattoo liner pencil in shade dark black. You can use any kohl pencil you have and just create a liner over your eyelid. It should be a random eyeliner. You do not need to make thin, thick or give any shape. Just pack on the pencil over your eyelid and like a thick liner. Once you have packed your pencil, we will be using a black eyeshadow. So I am using Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2, not Morphe. And I'm packing the black eyeshadow over my eyelid. Now the reason I'm doing this is so that my black looks more black. You know what I mean. If I just went with black, it will turn gray. That's why I used the pencil first. Now you can see I'm just packing the eyeshadow using a flat brush. You do not need any fluffy brush as of now. And even for this look, I mean, you don't need a lot of brushes. It's very easy. Now another brush that I need is a fluffy brush. You can use any fluffy brush you have. And you can see I went with that maroon color from the palette. I don't know the name. The reason I went with maroon is because it's more closer to the black. If I would have gone with bright red just now, I think it would have created a gap. So I'm just going with maroon and blending it along my black eyeshadow just to diffuse black eyeshadow because you don't want to look like a crow's feet. Next thing I'm going in with red eyeshadow. This is a bright red. Although when you blend the bright red over maroon, it comes a little bit pinky, but it's okay. We are just blending the bright red over the maroon eyeshadow using the same brush. You don't need to change any brush. You can see I'm blending in to and fro motions to diffuse the edges. And even if you're not able to blend, do not worry. We will be fixing it everything in the end by one step. So the next thing, lighter color, which is orange color, I'm blending in the edges. And you know, I love mattes. So even if you are not able to blend this properly, you see edges, we are going to fix it with white eyeshadow. So if you pack white eyeshadow under your brow bone, it really highlights your eyes and fixes all the mess. Lastly, I'm starting with lighter shades to the darker shades in my lower eyelid, from orange to red to bright red. And then how we are hiding our blending is by using glitter. Glitter fixes everything. So I'm just packing the red glitter over my eyelid, going in with some inner highlight and some kohl in my lower and upper waterline. I'm going in with lashes using my lash applicator. If you haven't watched my short, just go have a look how I apply lashes using lash applicator. It will be super easy for you, especially for beginners. So I am using L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara today. Hope you had fun watching this video. I will see you in next video.